now we continue, so we go to the next chapter. Okay, this one about the scrolling and panning animation. So we learn about parallax of background. So this illusion, so the background is moving, the character actually stay there, just minorly move, depend on the background being interacted. Okay, this is about the classic Disney, so it's about 7 minutes. This one I just go through a bit. I think by classic, I mean they don't have a machine, they have a multi-plane machine. Now we have layer, we don't need that. This old school 1957 Walt Disney multi-plane camera. This is how they put the background. Old school. How they make layer? They usually have a physical layer. And then projecting, how they're projecting? Yes, they take a photo by stop motion. So there's a transparent media where they put the character on top of the background. That's how we have a layer for the character background. This is how interacting. So this one, how they make the tree over there, they need to cut the leg to vanish the leg. And this is half of the Mickey what they want. It's easy, there's no parallel like this one. How they do the establishing shot. This character is easy interacting. This is establishing shot where they zoom in, zoom out, but the layer is have a different speed or what. That's just a plain background. But how to make it foreground, midground, background have a value of the different layer and a different perspective of the view. Multi-plane. It was originally have a physical layer. Now you just click, have your own layer. Now go digital. Okay, this is machine, they have multi-plane, all that. And they detect the camera from the top. And then this is how you can see the background is different, have parallax different. Foreground, midground, background value. This physical picture, tree, layer, and how the classics. I don't know you watch or not the classic movie Disney. Classic mermaid, not the new mermaid. It's a transparent, so you can see through another layer. Put the transparent media. See, adjusting one by one. Front layer, back layer, so how it create dynamics. Okay, they want the capturing and move, capturing, and then they do the stop motion. Move a bit or move a bit. This is a old school Old school but go. That's how the industry changing. So there's we call it a wheel. Before this is a 2D dimension cartoon, right? And then during 90s, Toy Story start, Pixar start the 3D animations. And suddenly, what the top animation now is not 3D. 3D is boring already. Pixar movie, right? Last is Frozen. So what the current trend now is 2.5D. What is that? You see the Into the Spider-Verse. That's the trend, right? It's a 2D, but background is 3D. It's mixture, and then it's very stylized. And then not the frame speed is not really 60. It's like 15 slow frame, very artistic. That's what the trend. So it's being back to the 2D back. 2D is cool again. So yeah, it's a wheel. Okay, this is about parallax, 100% same parallax. This is how we adjusting the different speed of parallax. So how to get this kind of dynamic? Yes. This is the theory. the longer the picture on the time frame that one, the more faster the picture will go. So the shorter, the more slower. Okay, this theory if you want to looping back the background, and this one parallel lah. So one go back to one. So 1, 2, 3, and go back to one, and then it stitches together so it look like endless. This is a trick to make endless clip. I just like I don't know if you watch or not, the Zack King love to do this one. The ending suddenly look like the front. You not even realize you watch that for 10 minutes. Actually the video just 10 seconds. Right. So the trick the stitches back so it look. Okay, that's theory lah. Just why put whoever character in the middle, so this is all trick, cartoon trick lah. Background moving, but the character is not moving, but only the background is moving. So the middle, okay, this is the old media lah. We just use the 180 times 9190, the standard ratio for screen size. Example like do before, Powerpuff Girl. Very Chin-Cai one, all the three, the background, same thing like this. Okay, there's a tutorial for that one you can watch later. So this one I haven't recorded, I forgot what, or I just do at the time I forgot. Okay, first thing first, get the material lah. The material you need is the background, whatever background. So for example, this is a city background lah. Use a city because we got the building, got the front or back. So find the vector lah. Vector because we can take up the layers. Example lah. Okay, example we download already. This one if cannot download, you need must login because they have limit time whatsoever. Okay, for example you download. Okay, I already download. So by default they give you EPS file. This is the file they give. Right, this is what the file they give to you. So it's not really a screen size, it's very quite wide picture. So what we need to do now, we need to have the screen size, film video, HDTV 1920 times 1080. Okay, that's the TV pixel. By default, they give you this one, the 3 marks. So what we need to do now is break down the pictures. Okay, this is a picture, we bring there lah. Copy, bring to new file here. So we maximize the picture. So this one we need to separate lah. So this one we put on the middle. Okay, this one we need to know the plane lah. So this is the background. So background, go to background. Middle ground, the buildings. This is the front. Okay, we take out the front. So we need to make a layer, front layer, and then there's a mid layer. So being combined lah. Okay, mid layer. Okay, front must be on top. Mid, this is mid lah. So which one is the mid? Okay, the building is the mid lah. This is a middle ground. This is the background. Star of that. Okay, this is the mid, go to the mid layer, and then this is the background, this is the background layer. So you know your layer first, here, here and here. So of course this one must be on the front. So we got the layer being arranged already. So this on the frame, this is what we will see on the screen. Okay, long story short, I got prepared the file already. CT, but okay, this one I save as the file as the CT background. This one I already separated lah. The bridge, I separate the bridge. Lighting as a lighting layer, building layer, sky layer. Okay, first thing first, we need to have the plain background lah. So this one, I just take the square here. See the black box here. So this is artboard, so this is artboard. So we just get the artboard first. Right. So how we got to transfer to Photoshop. Okay, this one we can import to Photoshop and later we can edit the file. Okay, how we export? So the way we export is you just go to export, export as Photoshop. So this one you must use artboard. By default they give you 2 artboard. The whole board is the whole thing of your working file. So first artboard is the screen size lah, the screen TV. This one. So what you need to do, you just export the artboard number 1, range number 1 lah. Artboard number 1, suffix of that. So by is a Photoshop. Okay, city background screen, okay. 0, okay, by default. Okay, this one. Simple, I don't know which one. Alright, export. So there's more option after that. Check. I don't know, it's louder or not. Alright, so screen resolution is by default is 72. Screen 72 enough, don't too large. 300 for paper. This is not paper, just a screen. So 72 ppi is enough. What I need to do is use the right layer maximum editability. So they will have a maximum layer. If not, they will minimize the exporting file. Right, exporting now. Okay, the running on some file being merging. So we see what survives. We need to export few times, background only, maybe front only. Okay, this is the result. Okay, see how many the file is survived. Okay, we got the bridge, got the lighting. Okay, we got the background but being merged with the sky. That's why I export separated. So how I separated that one, I export the sky only, for example. Okay, this one I go to file, export as Photoshop. Okay, I got the file here already. Screen sky. Okay, this is the file. I just exporting the sky only, so I got the sky layer. Okay, and I export building only, so I got the building only. And then I export bridge, just a bridge lah. Lighting, sky. So I separated lah. So I got, when I got the asset, so I got the asset already. So what I do is I bring that picture. Oh, this one already done. Which one is not done? Okay, this one I multiply already lah. So I open new film video. Okay, this is my working file, right? So what I do, I take the sky only. Where the sky? Okay, bridge first, the most back lah. Sky only. So what we want is just the sky. We don't need the bridge yet. So I close the bridge. Lighting here, so we need the sky. So we bring here. This one we just merge everything. So we got the sky layer. Okay, sky here, and then we just convert to small object. Alright. Next we got what? Bridge. This is a bridge. No need. I think we just need the bridge. Small object. Oh, we don't need the white color. Okay, bridge. A lot of naming need to do lah. So this one more preparation but less animation. Preparation a lot lah. Bridge, you know, there's a bridge, sky, and then there's a background. So how I extend that one? Okay, I take the city building first lah. City building. There's the building. There's the building. Yeah. It's the building. So yeah, we don't need the white color lah. We select subject. Okay, we got the building here. This one's supposed to be behind the bridge. So we got a bridge. And we got what? Bridge, sky, bridge. Okay, we got some lighting here actually, so I take the lighting lah. Here the lighting. There's some kind of glowy lighting is over here behind the bridge. Okay, this one not moving, single. So how I do it? First thing first, yeah, you select the artboard. We extend ourselves lah. How many we can do? Okay, maybe that long. Okay, to make it animate, so of course at the bridge need to have more bridge. Okay, this one if you copy here, they won't look weird lah. The gate what they want. So what I do is I flip the picture so it look like that lah. Not they look weird like that. So what I do, I flip. And then combine and then copy the rest. So by logic, the front is more faster. So the bridge have more extended picture. So the city is slower. So city times maybe times 2 only, 3. This one time 4 or 5. Sky is the slowest, so this one times 2 only. Okay, to make it less weird, so what I do here, the second copy, this one I just reflect lah, so it's looks not stitches lah. So you see lah, sometimes we accidentally have this thing have white color, so better you push a bit so not see it being stitches lah. That's how the preparation. So okay, the white background, so this one as a guide, I put here as a guide lah. So this what our screen size maybe. Okay, that's my smart object. So this one my placeholder, so I know the screen may be over there. So long story short, okay, this the thing lah I prepare. So all this one I smart object already. I combine and I smart object merge together and make a smart object. Okay, this lighting here only because we just use the lighting over here. Okay, next. Where is the timeline? Yeah. Where my animation? Oh, it's the background anime. Okay, this one. This already done lah. So this is my smart object. You got lah. I save the file as backup, so I backup as smart object because this one the asset lah. So this smart object I will save as what is that lah? The animation. Background animation. Okay, just put the date today lah. Okay, save the file first. Okay, and then we want to return back the artboard into the 1:0 ratio. So don't worry about the everything on this one, because being small object, so it's safe already lah, right? If not small object, maybe we lost. So make sure it's a 1:69 ratio. So go to the end. Still not correct. 69. About like that. Okay. Okay, 69. So this is our working file. We save that file. So we close the background. So background put on the back. Okay. Now any method. Okay, like I told you, preparation is longer than animation. So now animate easy. Front back only. So first thing first. Okay, I prepare the bridge longer, right? So the bridge will be faster. So just this one. And go back here. Okay, just trace back here. So around 5 seconds by default lah. So that's how the moving. Is it too fast? Yeah, maybe yes. Doesn't mean you must use all the asset. You see the preview. Who running there? Sonic ah. It's just working. Yeah, you plan to make it walk. Okay, just use maybe half of the picture only, by logic lah. Okay, now I try. So this one I use half of the picture only, I not use all. Except maybe it's lebih lah. So we see the speed okay or not. Okay, that's pre-render. It's lower a bit lah compared to before. Still too fast. Okay, still too fast. I just push a bit only lah, not even half. I don't want the picture too fast, so I make it just slow. So lah, this logic lah, he walking that speed logic lah. I need to think logic also lah. Logic this one logic okay. Lighting just stay there lah, because it's like have beaming lighting. Okay, CT background. Okay, CT go to end. Of course lah, if you do this one, are we living in a metric world? I don't know lah. The CT is more faster than the bridge. The CT moving? Not logic lah. That's why you need to think the logic also. So by logic, the CT just move a bit only lah. No need all. So even maybe quarter or what. See lah. Is it correct? See lah. So of course the parallax different. Don't make same parallax. So different parallax, you can see all the layer is look like having the different parallax. They have a foreground, midground, background. Okay, and then the sky. Sky of course the slowest lah. Imagine this one. Having dreaming the sky very fast. It's weird lah. So by logic, sky is the slowest. So sky we push a bit only. Okay, right? Okay, now I want to look cinematic a bit. So the CT, I go to filter, go to blur, Gaussian blur. No. Filter, blur, motion blur. a bit only lah, so it look like we're not focusing on the background, so the background is blur. That's pre-render. Pre-render being crazy. They want on purpose lah. You want to make it like that. It's on purpose. Pening ah. Oh, don't want. Okay, long story short. Okay, sensitive background. Wait, it's my animation. Okay, this is my previous animation lah. Okay, how we put the character? Okay, the character is not really moving, just that. Okay, for example, this one I got the GIF character. How to search the GIF character? Okay, last time we got Azal. I forgot this Scream Street long time ago. Blaze is the female character. Okay, let me see got the GIF or not. So find the GIF and find the transparent. Walking got or not? And these people do lah, not the I want the 2D one. Don't have ah. I want this one lah, the O1. Tak ada lah. Don't have lah. Not famous. Find the booking. Let's see if this guy uploading the another walking. Okay, we got Ryu. Not the same game. Apalah aja. Okay, just give you example lah. Okay, maybe got Ryu, whatever lah. Whatever character that walking lah. This one stylistic purpose. They don't have what I want. Okay, we save lah. This is the GIF. Okay, this is GIF file. So GIF file we open by default on Photoshop. It become a frame animation. It's a frame animation. Frame animation. What happen if you put this on timeline animation? Okay, this GIF if you put directly here. It's not move. Now he moonwalk. because it's a frame, so it is not right file. So because timeline must match with the timeline, so first thing first, we open with Photoshop. Okay, already open. Okay, this one we select, hold shift into the back. We purposely copy a lot lah, so you have longer, so we can fit to the 5 seconds. This one I copy lah, copy. Right, so this one you see the one we can convert to timeline. Now we're talking, and then we save as the file. This one I receive lah, the file. This he's walking. And this one more than 5 seconds, so safety lah. It's 14 seconds. So we save the file as a timeline character lah. This one I save the file as the Ezel walk timeline. Alright, so we use this one. Okay lah, this one direction different. To the next side. So what you need to do, you flip lah, flip. Alright, so now logic lah. You walk over there. On the speed all okay, logic There's a walking speed Okay, this one we want, there's a shadow. Alright, you see a ghost? He not a ghost, right? How to make it a shadow? So we just duplicate the layer. So of course in the back lah. This one is the timeline, blah blah blah. Shadow, this is his shadow. So what you need to do, just distort it here. Distort over here. By logic lah, where the shadow go. Here, or there, or what. Okay, over here. So right click, blending option, we can make it color overlay normal. Now it's black lah, black, and then opacity low bit, just like on the background one. So we can have, he have a shadow like that. Now you got a shadow down there. Oh, multiply. Okay lah, multiply. Not too dark. Agak-agak lah, it's logical. Ada shadow over there. Lebih kurang lah. Okay, now we got that one. So of course this one too empty. Can put some title. This one. Put some title here. This one you can play lah. The effects. The glowing. So I play some glow. Okay, this opacity, expanded size, jitter, or adjust lah. Color blue, or white, or just whatever look blend to the world. Okay, we set to 0 first 0. Go to number 1. Glow, 50. So you can see lah, it's glowing glow. Oh, wrong. 1. No, transform. Style. Go to number 1 style. 1 second style. This one 50. So it's being changes lah. Web. So this one a bit, and then go back here. maybe not totally gone, half it, so dah lah ni. Okay, this one is repeat, you can just copy here, just put here, paste it here. So to make it look like loops, I copy the number 1. So it's totally gone here. Of course, this one is long, right? So we just minimize it into this one. So 5 seconds, everything is 5 seconds. Okay, for sweetening up the scene, so this one I download some effect lah. This you can find on YouTube. VSCS overlay, because this one look like a old. Boleh ada some bunyi. The beta what one old school. That one for just sweetening the scene. Okay, just insert this one, so boleh lah. This one boleh lah, boleh siap multiply screen overlay. This one can make it the image visible. Okay, still not match a bit, so I just want to have the sprite look. Alright, and then there's a VHS glitch whatever this one. This one just additional style lah, to make it stylistic. Jadi stop lah. Same thing, boleh soft light, screen, test try and error. Multiply, darken. Maybe this one screen. So we have a glitchy loop or something. Green. So without it's just a plain lah. This one have some effect bit. Okay, this is what I do now. So I do before. Okay, this one what I did before. So this one I extend actually. Timeline is longer, lighting. Oh, this one I make 10 seconds, not 5 seconds. I extend until 10 lah, because I want to make it longer. No sound. No music. Oh, I haven't put. Okay, this one overlay can use also lah. Game over. Okay, this one with logo. This one with okay. Okay, so you can combine in any software lah. So I very lazy, I just use CapCut. Put the music. This one after touch you animate already or what, so the song or what you can use video editing, Premiere Pro or CapCut. So I just use CapCut only. So we got logo here. Okay, so see the frame now we use is 69 lah, by default original like that. You want to change same ratio lah. This is the correct ratio, screen size. Okay, no music, so we got download some music, right? Okay, this. Okay, this is the music. Cause I don't have the MP3 or what. So this one you don't need visual, opacity 0. Okay, cut here. Fade out the audio. Volume. Alright, so I have some sweetening. This one I download also lah from YouTube. Can download some green screen stuff here. Okay, this one actually we can key out lah. Key out the green. So video, there's a cut out, chroma key, color picker, remove the green. Not that strong lah to cut out. It's faster or not? Reverse, freeze. Oh, speed, yes, we can faster click. Aja basic tools lah, better from CapCut. Whatever. Okay, key out. Video, color picker. Chroma key. Kan not really clean lah dia cut out. Oh, okay, boleh lah. Scale down. Thank you lah. Okay, the picture can sweeting a little bit lah. There's a effect beta something retro. There's a effect that I like 90s lah. Beta something. Film front. That's good like 90s. Wall. TBT. Yeah, that era lah, that kind of era. Distorted. Okay, that effect that I like. Not so much glitchy, stylish. Ni apa tadi? 90s. Okay lah, so this if you like lah. 03. Okay, sporting, so correct, ratio, 1 arrow, so now we export. Now got the result. Is it the result? So it's annoyingly repeat lah. So if you know this one, you can do already on YouTube. The 2-hour lo-fi song. Lo-fi, you see all the lo-fi here. Oh, I love it. Jawapan. This is what you see on YouTube. Looping around 2 hours. For 2 hours. Alright, so that's it. So the animation not much. What is a lot here is the preparation. So now you can try.